Selling a false promise in the face of a cancer diagnosis, the Food and Drug Administration calls that a cruel deception. It's aggressively now going after companies that do it.
But they aren't the only ones who want you to believe in a miracle in a bottle. Consumer investigator Kimberly Souters has the story.
She was a powerful competitive triathlete once, but Dana Lewis's toughest test was breast cancer. Walking this far on her own is progress.
It's very hard for an athlete to hear. Very hard for anyone to hear.
After surgeries, chemo, radiation, the cancer came back in her bones.
Herbs and teas.
This time she's choosing the natural route.
Where I can do this and my body is healing itself. It just takes time.
So far, so good.
Breast cancer patient Vanessa Jones took her time to research.
I think we should be a little bit more open-minded to possibly other treatments.
She spent $30,000 out of pocket to seek treatment abroad. Patients who are willing or desperate to try unapproved medicines are the target of companies promising cancer cures.
We refer to these products as being a cruel deception.
So preying on desperation.
Yeah, absolutely.
The FDA is going after companies making unapproved cancer-fighting claims. Treatments more effective than chemo, miracles in a bottle.
Companies that were claiming that more than 65 different products treated or cured cancer. And
were those lies?
Those companies were marketing products that were not FDA approved.
In some cases, this FDA director argues they can actually harm you. Take Black Salve, which claims to pull cancer out of the body.
There are numerous reports of patients who've used these products who've suffered severe burns, severe scarring, and in some instances have been disfigured so terribly that it required reconstructive surgery.
In April, the FDA warned 14 companies to submit their products to be evaluated or remove their claims. 7 on Your Side checked 6 months later. It appears few have complied. One still says it's effective against cancer. For another, we found the same product, same promises under a new site. One company removed its product, but not its video.
Got some mouth cancer treatment here.
Several companies print disclaimers. 2 companies remain defiant.
Oh, I got screwed.
This group says the non-toxic chemo is the miraculous promise of vitamin C and refers to the FDA as the Federal Death Administration. A blog on this site accuses the FDA of being in the pocket of the drug industry. And those 14 companies, just a drop in the bucket, even though it is illegal to claim to treat, prevent, or cure cancer without the FDA's approval. Still, listen to what 7 on Your Side heard when we went into 6 different shops undercover. Recommendations ranged from vitamins to tea.
Because he's been smoking marijuana.
From marijuana to miracles.
They've gone through radiation and, they've gone through all the treatments and doctors giving up on them. They take this and then they go back. And then the cancer's gone.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think it's a miracle.
It's such false hope, and it's heartbreaking.
Shondell Knights is Lewis's and Jones' naturopath doctor. She encourages a combination of alternative and conventional medicine to give cancer care.
When you say that big, scary C word, people run for the thing that's going to cure them. It really doesn't exist.
You risk either way, conventionally or alternative. It's a risk. There's no guarantees,
As much as they'd like to believe, they know there's no bottled cure.
It's your body. It's your life. You have to take charge. You have to do the research. You have to listen to your inner voice.
Now, the FDA does have the power to seize products and prosecute, but they have not taken any further action against any of the 14 companies given warning letters. 7 on Your Side did ask all 14 to respond to the FDA's warning letters. Only 3 of them did. For their full responses, head over to our website, WJLA.com. Now back to you.